I would also like to bring to your knowledge, I'm sure you've heard about it, but the government, after or rather during the course of the pandemic, pooled its resources and launched the Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission. It is under this mission that the National Institute of One Health is being set up. And the reason we looked at this very comprehensive mission was that if you want to strengthen healthcare in the country, and if you want to be prepared for pandemics, if you want to be prepared for outbreaks, you need to strengthen the public health infrastructure. You need to enhance the surveillance and outbreak response. And it is not just outbreak response to human health crisis. It is the outbreak response to whether you have animals dying in a zoo, whether you have avian influenza. My colleague here in environment mentioned the avian influenza arising due to migratory, which could be arising due to migratory birds. It could be due to diseases which are affecting our livestock. So that's why we need enhanced surveillance and outbreak response. And my colleagues here from the NCDC, I'm sure they will be talking about the how the integrated disease surveillance program has been expanded to through the IHIP to ensure that we monitor all kinds of disease conditions and outbreaks. The third component of the PM-ABHIM is the pandemic and emergency preparedness. And many of the work elements that are contained in PM-ABHIM have already been described by Secretary DHR in his presentation. The biosecurity aspect has been emphasized by both Chairman DRDO as well as my colleague from the NDMA. The pandemic research is something that all of us, many of us are jointly doing over here. So the country is working on trying to integrate the One Health approach and each and every aspect of healthcare service delivery. And in the research that we are doing, we are also leveraging technology a lot for the purpose. Secretary Department of Agriculture Research spoke of the antimicrobial resistance a challenge that the country is facing. As you are aware, since yesterday we are celebrating 1 week of antimicrobial resistance initiatives. Yesterday, India launched the National Action Plan for Antimicrobial Resistance. And I know it's a big ask, but I'll request the students who are here that please do go and look at what does antimicrobial resistance mean. It means that each and every pill that we are taking, each and every medicine that we are taking to tackle a disease will not work tomorrow because now we are resistant to that particular drug. So the issue is serious. The issue is what we are facing in our day to day lives. And therefore, my request to the students here are to acclimatize themselves with this concept, to understand this concept, to imbibe it, because they are our future. Tomorrow, regardless of the job you go for, whether you are a doctor, whether you are a biologist, whether you are a municipal official, if you are aware of the One Health approach, I'm sure you can contribute to a healthier country. And my big thanks to all the people who have taken out time to attend this conference, because your findings, your awareness, your inputs will make the job much easier for my department. Thank you.